Hello guys, welcome to CAD Make. In this video we are going to design a helical compression spring with the help of essential features and commands. We'll also assign material and customize appearance to give our material a professional look. I hope you'll enjoy it. If you're ready, let's get started. Go to the sketch. Click on Sketch. Choose the front plane. Now take the line command and draw a line of 100 mm. Click Exit. Zoom out like this. Click on Finish Sketch. Now click on Right Plane. Click Sketch. Click on Circle command. Take away the cursor from the origin and draw a 3 mm diameter circle here. Click Exit. Select the circle center point, hold Ctrl or Shift button and select origin point. Make them horizontal. Click OK. Now click on Finish Sketch. Go to the features and click on Swept Boss command. Sketch is already selected. Click here and select this line as a reference path. Click Options. Select here Follow Path. Select Specify Twist Value. Select Revolutions. Give the number of turns as 10. Click OK. Make it normal. Click on Front Plane. Click Sketch. Take the centerline command and draw a line from the origin point to this midpoint. Click Exit. Now take the line command and draw a rectangular sketch like this. Click Exit. Again take the line command and draw another rectangular sketch here from the origin like this. Click Exit. Now go to the features and take the Extruded Cut command. Select here Through All. Click Reverse Direction. Click OK. Here we see we have sliced both the end perfectly. Right-click on Material. Click Edit Material. Click Steel. Select the AISI 304. Click Apply. Click Close. Now go to the Appearance. Click Metal. Click Galvanized. Choose the shiny galvanized. Now go to the background scene and select plain white. It's enough for today. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, and comments. Thanks for watching.